Oh, come on.
All right.
It's embarrassed.
All right, so here we go. We're going to talk about interval notation. Here we have x, and it goes from -2 to 3, including the points. We don't want to do this anymore, so we have some symbols. When something is equal, we can use a square bracket. Where does it start? -2. Where does it go to? +3. Does it include 3? Yeah. So it's a solid bracket. This is the domain of x. Okay? A lot of times we will also do this. We will say this x has this element, this set, right? And it includes -2 to 3, and everything in between is implied. What gets more confusing is something like this. What number to the left does this go to? It goes forever, right? What number is to the left forever? What's, huh? Negative numbers. All negatives. What do we call the biggest number we can think of one way or the other? Infinity. This goes to -infinity from the left. Where does it stop? It stops at, well, it stops at -3. And it doesn't include -3, so we use parentheses. And since you can't reach infinity, we use parentheses. I'm going to use my and because and is that is a u. And where does it start again? It starts at 3, not including 3, and goes to infinity. And that's the domain of this function here, or this number line.
Yeah, I think that was in our homework.
So what's this last one going to be? What do you want to write here?
Well, 10, comma, infinity.
10 comma, and it has to be open bracket. So again, if I make another one, oh, let's start.
Wait, what is that? X to the
X, and that is epsilon. That means an element. Remember? And let's start -4. Let's use a different letter. How about H, just for fun, so we get used to it. So what do we want to write this time?
Well, H.
H.
And then negative. What was it? 4 to the. Or no, negative infinity.
Negative infinity first, and you guys are thinking the other way. To -4, close bracket, because it includes 4. All right? Yes, close bracket, and see, you can never reach infinity, guys. Infinity is not a number you can stand up. Think about it. There's always a number a little smaller. -1 million. Well, -1,000,001 smaller. -1 trillion. Well, -1 Google is smaller, right? You can always go further and further. But infinity is all the way to the left. Negative infinity is all the way to the left of the number line. Positive infinity is all the way to the right. It's a concept. It's not an actual value. There is no infinity plus 1, except for me. But listen, there is no. It is just a concept on the other side. This is interval notation. All right. So let's try. See if you can write these 3 on your desk. I'll put them up as fast as I can.
So why did you want to take this?
Why you want to do this? Because it's a lot faster than doing number lines. Do we all agree?
He said, why do you want to tape?
Oh, I want to tape this so I don't have to explain it to Cammie and Morgan. It's laziness at its best.
You took your cape off in that.
At its best. I took my cape off for them, yes. Because what I found is on YouTube, these get hundreds of views over the time, and it can't possibly be you guys.
Yeah.
Because there's not 100 of you. So when I start
We get
So it's
enough
not
of you in person.
Still going, right?
Okay, let's do these 3. You guys try these 3. I'm going to give, all right? And we're going to.
You're nicer when the camera's on.
Yeah, you are.
I'm nice because it's a permanent record. All right.
I didn't say it was bad that we got.
I'm going to put these up for the camera. Just look left for now and see if you agree. Oops. Yes, thank you. There we go. Does that make sense? Guys, those are the answers. I'm pretty sure. Does everybody agree? Seth, you with me? So we know these are right before I stop recording them forever. All right.
Dun dun dun.